up in the evening and I ain't got nothing to say. I come home in the morning, I go to bed feeling the same way. I ain't nothing but tired, man, I'm just tired and bored with myself. Hey baby, I could use just a little help. You can't start a fire, you can't start a fire without a spark. This gun is for hire, even if we're just dancing in the dark. Hello everybody, I'm Vasco and today I'm going to show you how I'm playing Dancing in the Dark by Bruce Springsteen on the ukulele. We'll do it on a high G string uke, so grab yours and let's go. Okay, the weather just got crazy. First thing, we're not in the original key at all because it's way easier in this key that I'm about to show it to you right now. If you want to play along with the original recording, you need to put capo on the 6th fret, but I doubt that this is even worth it because probably the uke will sound not that great here. So I would suggest you just play it this way. All right, let's start with the intro. Basically, we're going between the chord of F and the chord of D minor. But the second chord is coming a little bit earlier. So if you count it, it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and it's coming on the off beat, all right? And we'll do a strumming pattern that will help us do this on an automatic level. So what I'm doing is a strumming pattern on the F chord is something like down, 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 up, down. And on the next up, I'm grabbing D minor. And on D minor, I'm doing up, 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 down, up. All right? One more time, and I will show you something more. It's all about making it automatic in your brain. Just practice it. All right. And on top of that, we can do the little melody that goes something like. While grabbing the F, I'm trying to avoid the A string. And then when I grab the D minor, I'm also putting the pinky on the 3rd fret of the E string. Just for one strum and then removing it and now playing the A string. So I'm doing one strum on F and then wah, pa, 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 with little whoop strums with these two fingers. Wah, pa, 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 trying to focus on the E string, then grabbing the D minor. Again with an up strum, avoiding the A string and then playing the A string on the next strum. And then the second time it's a little bit different. We play F again, trying to avoid the A string. Wah, pa, 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 and then again on D minor on the 3rd fret, the E string, and then open A. But this time we get back to the 3rd fret of the E string, and 2 times on the 1st fret of the E string. So let's do it slowly, the whole thing. Alright, we're using this for the intro and also in the interlude between the chorus and the next verse, and as outro as well. We're using this little part. If you can do the little thing with the pinky, do it. If you cannot, you can just strum it with the strumming pattern that I showed you. Alright? So let's go through the verse. It starts with the same exact part as the intro. I get up in the evening and I ain't got nothing to say. I came home in the morning, here we go to the next little part for which we need the chord of B flat and then G minor. And again, we're doing the same strumming pattern. The G minor comes a little bit earlier. I'm nothing but tired. Man, I'm just tired and bored with myself. Getting back to the first part. Come on, baby. I could use just a little help. And here we go to the chorus. We need the chord of C, which we are holding for a little bit longer. You can't start a fire. You can't start a fire without a spark. These guns for hire. B flat to G minor. We're dancing in the dark. Going to the interlude. And then we are doing another verse, another chorus, and after that we have the little bridge. And the bridge starts with D minor. You see the round getting older to F. And after that we have B flat. This joke here somewhere needs on me to C. And then again D minor. I'll shake this word off my shoulder to F. Come on baby, the light's on me. And then we go to the last verse, which again is exactly the same. And pretty much this sums it up. It will be very helpful if you have the printable in front of you. You can get it from the link in the description, and also that way you're supporting the channel. Thank you very much for doing so. Thank you for watching this. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and you'll see me on the next one.